See, this is a very important problem. Okay. Very rarely they will ask in the examination. I will say this one, to say this one as an important or unimportant, it is very difficult. But if the paper want to, if the paper will one semester, one paper will be get twisted. If survey paper want to twist, means they will ask this question. So you can think that whether it is an important or not, that later. Okay, but try to know this is very simple problem, you can able to solve it easily. Okay. See here, this is an irregular area they have given. Okay, actually they will not give this figure. Okay, just they will give this table, and they will ask to find out the area. So area they will ask to find it. Okay, so what is this is, see, considered. First I will not go to figure directly. Okay, so consider this is in point A. Okay, so this is first point, chain edge. I told if there is a length is there, this is the length. First this is first point, and this is the end point. So in between, this is the middle points. Okay, these are the middle points. So whatever I'm shown this length, this length I'm shown, so that length, whatever the in middle they have taken, so that length, it is whatever they have measured. Better I will write it in this way. See here, see, they have, this is the length. Okay, first point and the last point. So in middle, there are the intermediate points are there. So intermediate 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in middle intermediate points are there. Okay, so whatever I'm showing here, so that's what that measurement is being written like this. Okay. That's been written like this. See here, I told from 0, this is the zero chain edge point. Okay, this is here, but just see inside the box only. Okay, so the total measurement, the length from here, from A to B. Okay, sorry, you can take this one as D. Okay, A to D point. So in middle, the chain edge point, this one, and this point, this one in middle. So the length in middle only they have measured. Okay, so this is exactly 100 meter. First one here, exactly from 0, from here to here, from here to here, that is 100 meter. So that has been written here. Okay. Next, another from here to here, so that is 180 meter. Okay, got it. So like that, intermediate points. So sorry, not from here, second point, from here to here it is 180 meter. Next, from here to here it is 300 meter, it is written here. Okay, from here to here, that is 490 meter. So from here to here, so that is 650 meter, here it is written. So totally from this length, so totally from this length, totally from A to D, so that is 750 meter, it is written here. Okay, so now like that it has been written. So that measurement, that all measurements, it is written in this format only here. So whatever the A and to D is there, that is written in the format like this. Okay, whatever I'm shown in the vertical, now I'm showing in the horizontal. So you have to write this figure. Okay, so this carries marks. So these marks will be distributed for the, if you're writing this figure also, don't forget to write this figure. Okay, so write first point A here, and D is here, and the second one is 100 here. So cut it here. Next is 100. Measure, the total is 750 now. So take 100. So what is that? 1 centimeter as 100 meter. Okay, so like that you divide it. Totally 750. Totally you take 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter you take it. Okay, so 100 meter, 1 centimeter you cut it. Next 180, so means 1.8 centimeter you cut it. Next 3 meter you cut it. Next 490, 4.9 centimeter you cut it. next 6.5 centimeter you cut it, next exactly 7.5 centimeter you cut it. Like this you make a mark. Okay, next so see here, if you stand, a person stands here, so this is right hand side, which I'm showing in the pink color. Okay, purple color is left side. Okay, so you have to see when you're drawing this, you have to see this one as a left side and this one as right side. Okay, so as it is you have to remember. Okay, otherwise that is left to you. Okay, so your decision, but everything should be take on your requirement. Okay, so see here, towards the left it goes to 250. uh, I will drop everything, so otherwise I will get confused. Okay. So I told towards the right it is a 50. Okay, so two end extreme corners you write it. After writing that, this is towards the right, so right you mention it pink color, and towards the left I will write it in purple color. Okay. See here, next everything I will use green. Okay, now from exactly 100, the first point here. Okay, in the first one it is 100, towards the right it is 50, so mark 50 here. 0.5 centimeter you mark it and get a point here. Okay, next is 180 here. Okay, 180 towards the left, so 1.6 meter, so that is 1.6 centimeter you take it and mark a point here. Okay, that is finished here. Okay, next is exactly 3 centimeter, you take another mark here. Okay, exactly 3 centimeter towards the right, so that is 2.5 centimeter towards here. Okay, this is towards the right. Okay, so that's why you are going in the right side, that is in pink color. Okay, I shown here very clearly. If it is everything, all the values in the right side, means you go here. Okay, if it is in the purple color, means you go here. Okay, purple color, wherever reading is there. Okay, next is 490, so 490 will comes here. So 490 it is in left side, so it is 100. So this 180, so 180 means that is 1.8. I told you have to take the 100 means 1 centimeter you have to take it. 180 means 1.8 centimeter, so you draw like this 1.8 centimeter. Next is D is 210, so 210 you take it here. Okay, so that is 210, 2.1 centimeter. So like this you take this and draw this figure. This is very important. After drawing this, if you have confusion, you see once more the video. If you don't understand, you can call me to my number. Okay. So use this table and draw it. Okay, later you need to determine the area. Okay, write that whatever it is there, write it. Okay, so you give the alphabetical order, so A B C D E F G and A, like that. In middle you give the another name. Okay, J K M N P, your wish. Okay, according to your wish you can give that. Okay. Like that you draw right. You can draw the next, you have to draw the table. So first one is figure. So you should know the what is the triangle you're taking, no? So that's why you write it as figure A G J. See here, A G J. Okay, it is smaller triangle. Next is bigger triangle, AMF. Okay, like that you have to mention. Okay, see all the figures, whatever the triangle shape it is there, whichever shape, triangle shape or trapezoidal shape, you write it as it is. Okay, from one end you have to write it in a clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, see your wish, but take all the angles. Okay, so this is see here, finally how many shapes are there? See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 7 areas are there. You have to write all those 7 areas. So you may miss one area, means whole answer will get wrong. Okay, so write all those 7 areas. Okay, next chainage length. Chainage length, whatever it is there here, you write as it is only. from 0 to 100 you write as 0 to 100. Next is 100 to 300. Okay, so 100 and 300. So whatever the chain edge length is there, you write it as it is. Okay, this is most important, you write it as it is only. Okay. Next, base length. Base length is nothing but the base length you have to write it. So each base length you take it and write it. How to write this base length is, so whatever this length is there, so add that and divided by 2. Okay, so here first 0 and 100 now, so write as it is only, you should not divide it by 2. Okay, be careful, you should not divide it by 2. Second one, where the another number we will get it now, 100 and 300, add this 100 plus 300, that is 400. 400 divided by 2, so you will get 200. So next is sorry, baseline you should not take like that. I'll tell you this base how you have to take it. Next next what you do is you take the offset. Offset is nothing but perpendicular length. So whatever I'm showing here, perpendicular length, you take that perpendicular length. Okay, so here see here first, so this is the 0 point, this is 50. Okay, 0 to 50, so you have to write it as 0 and 50. Second one, okay, second one you written 0 to 50 now. Next is from here, this one, okay, from here to here. Okay, so second one you are taking, that is J M F M. Okay, so all this you are taking J F J G J G F and M, you are taking that one. Okay, so offset is what here, offset is 50 to 200. Okay, sorry, 250. So that one you have to write it here. Okay, 50 to 250. Next next offset is what here, next offset is 250 to 210. Okay, so that's one. Here they have mentioned here this this area, third area, that is MF EP. Okay, so that this area we are taken, so that's why here offset is it will go from here to here. Okay, so that one is 250 to 210. So that one you written here. Like that you keep on writing. So this one don't forget. So here there is a one change or one thing you have to keep it in the mind when you're taking here. I'll drop everything. Okay, next when you come here, okay, that is PED here, PED. When you're taking this one, offset is from 0 to 210 here. Okay, offset here it is 0 to 210. Don't forget this, you have to write it as offset 0 to 210. Don't write as longer. 750 is there, no change, that you should not write it. You have to write it 0 to 210. Okay, next from here to here you will go. So offset is 0 to 160 here. So okay, 0 another row is 160, 0 to 160 and 160 to 180. Okay, so you come line from here only. Okay, in this only from an order. So you take a triangle, what is that, ABK. Okay, ABK, so this is ABK, no? Okay, so this is ABK. So ABK is here. So ABK offset is 0 to 260 here. ABK is 0 to 160. So that's why I've written offset as 0 to 160. Okay. So next is here. Next is 160 to 180. So that 160 to 180 means here, this area, this one. triangle BKCN. BKCN is where? Here. BKCN. For BKCN, this one. Okay, so it goes offset from here to here. No, offset it is here B. So this is 160 and this is 180. Here it is there. Okay, so you have to take it 160 and 180. Write it as 160 and 180. Okay, so next when next 180 from here to it goes to 0. So what is this triangle? This triangle is DCN. So where is DCN? Here, DCN. Okay, so DCN, it goes around from 180. So this is 180, it is here 180, and this end is 0 offset. Okay, so that is a 0. This is the chain edge. Whenever the chain edge point comes on this chain edge line, means you have to take it as 0. Okay, so that's why offset is 180 and 0. Okay, so like this you have to take it. Then so the mean of this one you have to take it. Okay, mean of this one, after taking the offset you have to take it mean. Okay, so in the mean what you have to do is add these two divided by 2, you do it. So you will get like this 25. So next is 50 and 250, you do it, divided by 2 you do it, you will get 150. So 250 and 210 you add it, divided by 2 you will get 230. This is the mean of these two. Okay, mean of these values. Okay. Next here I told the chain edge, I told offset, I told mean. So only you have to be very careful in the base length. Okay, so base length, see here what you have to do is for AGJ. Okay, here AGJ is there. No, for AGJ base length, base is here. See here, you have to know one few thing before knowing the base. See here, this, whenever the line is there, this is the perpendicular. Okay, a perpendicular is been set. This, consider this is the length AB, and C. AB is a line, BC is a perpendicular to AB. Okay, so BC is called as offset. Okay, BC is called as offset. Okay, so base is called as AB. AB is called as base length. Okay, same that. So now you know what is the base. Okay, now the 0 to 100 chain edge. Okay, 0 to 100 chain edge is there. Okay, so chain edge for 0 to 100, what will be the base? Base will be 100. Okay, this is the base is 100. Okay. Next this one, you come for first you take all the right hand side, or you take right hand side one on angle, one on side, you take it and go further. Okay, next is the big GJ, this one, second one. Okay, GJMF, no, okay, GJMF. So what is the offset? What is the offset of this? Okay, so if you take this one, what is the total length of this one? Okay, so that length you will get it around, so 50 and 250 is the offset. Okay, so you will get exactly at a 200 meter you will get it. Okay, so next is you will get it around 350. Okay, so respective each base length you will get it. Okay, so that's how you will get it. So after getting this all this base length, so next what you have to do is you have to take respective all the values. Okay, see here, mean, whatever you have taken the mean value, just add it together. Sorry, mean you should not add it. So next area you have to add it. So how to take that area? Area means what you do is first, so mean, whatever the base and the mean value it is there, you just multiply this two, you have to multiple. So base is 100, mean is 25. So multiple, if you multiple you will get 2500. Next is 200 is the base, mean is 150, multiple that, you will get this. So like that everything you multiple, so you get this total value Okay, so all the whatever the area, each area, if you get it, then you multiple. Okay, so all this together, add this. Okay, after multiplying, so finally you get 2 lakh 14,000 square meter area you will get it. Okay, so for that 2 lakh 14,000, what you have to do is you have to divide it by 10,000. So 1 hectare is equal to 10,000. 1 hectare is equal to 1 hectare is equal to you got 2 lakh 10,000 now. Just what you got 2 lakh 2 lakh 14,000 now. So 2 lakh 14,000 whatever it is there, so that divided by 10,000 you do it, that's all. Okay, 3 cancel, 3 zeros, 3 zeros cancel, you will get it. Okay, so 214 divided by 10, if you divide it, you will get 21.4. So total area of the field is 21.4 hectares. Okay, so 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meter square. So final answer is 21.4 hectares. Okay, so this is how you have to get the answer.